in investigation number one, we wanted to determine which gases might form acid rain. So in this activity, we set up gas generators for 5 different gases. We have carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and air. And so to determine which gas might cause acid rain, the first thing we have to do is make the gas. And we make the gas by reacting a solid reagent with a liquid. And so, for example, carbon dioxide can be produced by the reaction of sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda, with hydrochloric acid. Oxygen can be produced by the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide with a catalyst such as potassium permanganate. Nitrogen dioxide can be produced in the lab by the reaction of hydrochloric acid with sodium nitrite. Sulfur dioxide can be produced by the reaction of hydrochloric acid with sodium bisulfite. And air can be just randomly extracted from the atmosphere around us with a pipette. And so we make the gas by reacting those reagents in a gas generator. And the gas generator is no more than just a cutoff, a short stem pipette. And in here, we put those reagents. After the reactions have been performed, we extract some of the gas from each gas generator, and we try to dissolve the gases in distilled water. And so we have a pH probe that's connected to my laptop that is going to read my pH. And so we take the initial pH of the water, right? And then we extract some of the gas from the gas generator with a pipette, and we bubble that gas in the water for roughly about 30 seconds for each gas. And we then get a final pH. So the initial pH is the pH of the water before the gas is dissolved. And then the final pH is the pH after the gas has been dissolved in the water. And so we do it for carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and then air. And we record the pH before and then the pH after. And so in the lab, there's a data table of the data that has been collected, and you'll use that to determine which gases might cause acid rain.